In some asbestos work that we call high-risk work, you have to literally build a bubble. You've got to build a seal exposing only the areas that you're going to tackle with regards to asbestos removal. That means you have to have polyplastic on the floor, and you have to have plastic up the walls to the edge of the ceiling. So everything that you don't want to have impacted by asbestos, fibers or debris or anything else, you got to seal. And then, of course, you put that under what we call negative pressure, which means the pressure is lower inside than outside, and it'll be sucking air out against that poly. So if there's any problem with the enclosure, the air's not going to leak out. It'll leak into the enclosure. And that's really important, especially if other people are working around the area at the same time. If you have a house and you're going to do high-risk removal of the whole house, you can just turn the whole house into a bubble. Building a bubble can be time-consuming. I mean, half the job might be building the enclosure, and the other half the job is taking the asbestos out. You really have to build those enclosures carefully so there's absolutely no chance of anything getting out. In a high-risk type asbestos job, there's only one entrance that the workers are going in and out of. When they come out, they're going to be contaminated in some capacity. When they're ready to come back into the work area, they take the suits off and dispose of them, and then they move into a shower. And they actually shower with their respirator on. So you have to be careful not to get water in the cartridges. And then they'll move into a clean room, which is the change room. So the theory is that they're clean coming out by the time they come out the shower, and they're not bringing contamination with them. You have to do air monitoring in the clean room as part of the regulation for a high-risk job to make sure that they're actually doing what they're supposed to do. You can't fool the asbestos sampling. Of course, you have a shower, that means that complicates things. You have to have water, and the water has to be tempered. And you also have to deal with the water, right? Because the water technically has asbestos in it. So these are all complications with the contractor has to think about. It's not easy to do the job properly.